Hey everyone, this is Siddhan Malani this side, the founder and CEO of this mobile app named Traffic Sahayak. And today I'm speaking to you to share with you guys about what we are trying to do with regards to the app opening up on basis of voice commands by integrating it with the OK Google Assistant and how the system actually works. So we are going to quickly go on and show you a demo of the same. Okay, so we are going to show you how to operate the mobile without uh, more of intervention. So we are going to turn on the Bluetooth of the phone, and as you can see, so I've turned on the Bluetooth. I've turned on the Bluetooth of the car, and so now we are going to pair it, and the purpose of pairing the Bluetooth with the car's system is to sync it with something which is you can say a secured or a trusted device. So that's the purpose of showing you this particular activity. You can pause it. Cool. Okay, so we have now paired it with the Bluetooth of the car. So the purpose of sharing this with you is because there's a setting called lock screen setting, and there's smart lock in it. So if I just take you through the smart lock, these are trusted devices. So there's something called on body detection, there's something called trusted places, there's something called trusted devices. So we click on the trusted devices, and we see Maruti Suzuki is already one of the device which is the trusted one. So what happens now is, if I turn off the screen, and once it is the screen has been woken up, you can see this is showing kept unlocked by smart lock. So this is where the screen can open up without entering the fingerprint mechanism or the pattern or something else. So now we'll take you to show the live demo of how the app is going to work. Yeah. So now we'll show you a demo of how the app is working. Okay Google, open Traffic Sahayak. So the app has already started its recording, and it's auto zooming in, zooming out to catch hold of a violator which is in front of us. You can pause the video. I want to capture a violation over here. I just tap OK Google, open Traffic Sahayak. So what happens now is the app is working on its own without us touching the smartphone. It's auto zooming in, auto zooming out in order to capture the number plate as well as to capture the particular violation which is happening. So we have made this thing contactless so that the reporting becomes pretty easy for the, and you can notice at the end the app closed on its own. And so if you notice, the app closed on its own, and the idea is to save the battery. Okay, so we are going to note down another violation. Okay Google, open Traffic Sahayak. So this gentleman in front is actually riding without helmet. He's carelessly looking left and right. So the violation was captured. The information is there on the app, and if you'll notice closely, the app is going to close on its own. The video has been saved actually. So as we moved along, we ensured there are features which help out a lot of people. So save video option was something which we focused on, and it gives the user a privilege to go on and save the information initially and go on and feed the necessary information later on. Okay Google, open Traffic Sahayak. So now we are going to show another demo of how a person is coming wrong side, and all this is contactless. So the app is recorded on its own and saved the video. So only two things are working at this moment: the Bluetooth as well as the GPS of the phone. Both are kept on so that we capture the necessary information, and the processes are moving smooth. Now demo about this parking obstruction thing. Okay Google, open Traffic Sahayak. Okay Google, open Traffic Sahayak. So if you can see, these are vehicles which are parked in a second lane. So they are obstructing the traffic, and so this challenge was coming, and there's another Audi which is parked on the road, and the significance of all these are to provide the user the comfort for reporting violations without much of an effort. So our point over here is that so as of now, we on Android, we still have to press the smartphone to wake up the screen, but when it comes to iOS, the Hey Siri works even without touching the smartphone. So that's what our idea is, to be able to go beyond these challenges, and to be able to share this particular solution with the app user. The intention here is now to understand from the citizens as to what all would you want to capture using this kind of a solution where you don't have to touch the smartphone. So we would want to understand the use cases where say we provide you a 1 minute recording instead of this 20-second recording. Also, if we provide you a longer one, a 5-minute recording. So what you may want to actually do with those kinds of recording.